Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a purge valve. This common repair can resolve issues like a check engine light or rough idling after fueling. We'll cover everything from locating the valve to installing a new one and clearing diagnostic trouble codes. This easy method can save you time and money, typically taking less than 1 hour to complete. Let's get started and get your vehicle running smoothly again. First, let's find that purge valve. On many Ford Escape models, it's situated under the hood, usually mounted on the firewall or close to the intake manifold. Sometimes, you might need to remove the engine cover or airbox for better access. For tools, you'll primarily need an 8mm socket or wrench. A small flathead screwdriver is also handy for releasing stubborn clips and electrical connectors. Of course, have your new purge valve ready to go. Now let's get that old valve out. Begin by disconnecting the electrical connector. Simply press the release tab and pull it away. Next, detach the 2 or 3 hoses connected to the valve. These often have squeeze clips or horseshoe-shaped retainers that need to be released. Finally, use your 8mm socket or wrench to remove the 2 mounting bolts. Once unbolted, gently rock and pull the old purge valve free from its mounting bracket. With the old valve removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Place the new purge valve into position and secure it with the 2 8mm bolts, tightening them carefully. Reconnect all the hoses, making sure each clip or tab locks firmly into place. Don't forget to plug the electrical connector back in until you hear a click. Finally, if your check engine light was on, use an OBD2 scan tool to clear the codes. Drive your vehicle for a bit and enjoy the improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.